Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to The Last War. My name is Debbie Elvis. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Like, comment, and share. And let's have a conversation. Today, we're going to talk about the African affairs. Get it? The African affairs in regard with the LGBTQ. The homosexual. Why do I bring this up? The Supreme Court of Kenya gave a controversial ruling. And I read, the Supreme Court of Kenya on February 24th ruled that the NGO board decision to bar homosexuals from forming recognized groups is discriminatory. The court stated that despite homosexuality being illegal in Kenya, members of the LGBTQ still have the right of association. Now, the deviants, as the president of Uganda, Mr. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, will refer to them, the people who have completely departed from the order of nature since the ruling. The internet has been flooded with the live streaming, the almost parading themselves, showing themselves, despite being illegal to be homosexuals in Kenya. You scroll a phone, there's an homosexual person, there's an LGBTQ person on the screen. Some of the comments on their video say, mnafaa kuchomwa na moto mkiwa hai, which means you're supposed to be burned alive. That's what you deserve. Those are the comments you find on their videos, showing that the people of the Republic of Kenya are so disappointed on this. Let's listen to the leaders of Africa, what they have been saying about homosexuality. Let's start with our own president, William Ruto.
I want to talk to you about a specific, human rights situation in parts of Africa and including in your own country. You yourself gained worldwide attention a few years ago when you said there was, quote, no room for homosexuality in Kenyan society. I want to know whether you still stand by that.
We have Kenyan law, we have Kenyan Constitution, we have our tradition, we have our customs. We will continue to respect other people's customs as they respect our customs and our tradition.
In Kenya, to be gay, the LGBT community is illegal. They just want to have equal rights, the same privacy and equality as all other Kenyans do. Is that something that you aspire to for your country?
I want to be very clear, Christiana. I will not engage in a subject that is of it is not of any major importance to the people and the Republic of Kenya. This is not an issue as you would want to put it.
The answer is no. No study has shown that. No study has shown that you can be homosexual purely by nature. Since nature is the main cause of homosexuality, then society can do something about it to discourage the trends. That is why I have agreed to sign the bill. Since Western societies do not appreciate politeness, you see, this is a problem with the Westerners. They cannot understand politeness. They cannot understand that somebody is keeping quiet, but he's not happy with me. No. Until you tell him that you go and eat your mother's something. That's when you...
Madam President, what's your position on decriminalizing homosexual acts in Liberia?
I've already taken a position on that we're not going to sign any such law.
You won't sign any law to decriminalize?
I won't sign any law that has to do with that area, none whatsoever. We like ourselves just the way we are.
So So in essence, homosexuality for two gay men under the books is illegal in Liberia.
We've got certain traditional values in our society that we'd like to preserve.
So you're saying you wouldn't decriminalize that current law?
I've just said to you, we're going to maintain our traditional values.
We equally reject attempts to prescribe new rights that are contrary to our values, norms, traditions, and beliefs. We are not gays.
For want of a better word, gay rights, the overturning of laws against homosexuality. Can you promise me today that you will do that?
I'm a constitutionalist. The current provision in the Constitution forbids same-sex marriages.
That's the gay and lesbian community. So I'm wondering, you've done so much for women in Rwanda, and they have so much power. I'm wondering, is the LGBT community a part of the future of Rwanda?
Well, I don't know if I understood what you just asked, but I guess I understand. I have understood. But LGBT.
Homosexuality.
Yes. It hasn't been our problem. And we don't intend to make it a problem.
We are saying no to homosexuality. Why should you say we're going to be civilized if we only allow it? Are you saying we are very primitive now because we are frowning upon homosexuality? Even animals don't do it. Why should we be forced to do it because we want to be seen to be smart, to be seen?
You will see that homosexuality has no place in Africa. It is also our cultures, black people, to respect older people like Mr. Museveni, the oldest president in East Africa. It is our culture. It is a duty to respect older people. Mr. Museveni has told the East African, Central African, the South and North African that homosexual is bad. And it is a duty for all Africans to respect him, because it is also part of the values we have, respecting older people. We don't refer to the older people by their names, but by the names assigned by the culture. The older people are the drivers of our culture and values as Africans.